How to remove background noise from microphone in Windows 11. So if you want to remove the background noise from microphone in your Windows 11, then it's a very simple process. What you have to do is you just need to simply select your speaker icon, which will be on the bottom. Once you've selected your speaker icon, click on it. Just simply select the sound output option. And after clicking on sound output, you will get an option which is more volume settings. Click on more volume settings. If you click on that, then you're going to find out that the input called choose a device for speaking or recording. So from here, you just need to simply select your virtual mic or your microphone, whichever device that you're facing the problem. Make sure that the input volume is 100%, or if you selected microphone, you need to just simply go and select the microphone and make sure that the input volume is 100% as well. And here you will have an option of audio enhancement. You need to just simply go and turn on the audio enhancement section. Make sure that it is not turned off. Or if you also have an option of voice clarity, you need to just simply go and select the voice clarity and also voice focus if you find that option. Don't set it automatic. Just turn it on. Now you need to go back to your sound, and then under sound, you will have an option of advanced or more sound settings. You need to click on it. In here, you need to simply go with the recording section and select the microphone, and then click on properties, which will be on the bottom right. And now click on levels. So now you can get two options. If you're not using a microphone or if you're using a microphone, you can simply get two options. So if you don't get this kind of option, then you can simply get the custom option. Sure, in my case, I have general, listen, levels, advanced. But if you don't get the levels option, or if you don't get this microphone array or boost options, then you will have an option of custom. You need to click on custom and make sure the option of AGC is turned off, because when you turn on the AGC, it will going to get the background noises, so you don't really need it. Once you do that, just click on apply and OK. And this way you'll be able to remove background noise from microphone in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.